Hello guys, so in this tutorial we're going to set things up so that we are ready to start programming JavaScript. So I have just opened up the Google Chrome and we're interested in what's called a console. So most modern browsers should have a console. I'm on a Mac and I can open the console using the keys Command, Option and J. So I believe I can also open it somewhere up here, but if I search for the console, as you can see, this is how you can open the JavaScript console. I believe on Windows you can press F12. I'm no expert in Windows, but I think F12 should also open the console. So this is where we can write some JavaScript and it will, and the browser will run what we've written. So we can write some basic arithmetic, then press enter. I'm going to zoom in a bit, so I can press Command and plus. Command and plus, I think Control and plus on Windows, and I can zoom in on the console. I can also write, let's say, hello world, and it's going to print out hello world, as you can see. So we can ignore this undefined thing for now. So this isn't exactly that great if we want to write lots of code. As you can see, if we want to write multiple lines of code, it's going to be quite difficult to manage on the console that's supported on a browser. So really what we want is a text editor. And my preferred text editor is called Sublime Text. And you should be able to download, so it's a free software, and it is really useful for programming. So you can download Sublime Text on this website, which I will also link in the description. So to get started with writing JavaScript, first of all let's save this file. I'm going to call it script.js. You can call it whatever you want, but the final bit of the name, so this the extension you have to write .js, so we know it's a JavaScript file. I'm going to put this over here. And then we can write what we've written on the console in the browser. We can write console.log hello world. So now in order to execute this JavaScript file, we have to somehow link it to the browser. And we can do that with an HTML file. So we can create a new file, and I'm going to save this as index.html. And this file, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is the language that is also related to displaying web pages. So HTML displays a web page and the contents of a web page. So I can easily set up an HTML file if you write HTML and then press double tab. So if you press tab twice, it gives some default code that is really useful for us to get started, and this only works in Sublime Text. Now in the body section I can write script, and then I can write source as script.js. And then we can also write, let's say, the title as, it doesn't really matter what the title is. And once we've done this, we have connected this script file onto this index.html file. And now we can execute it on our code on the browser. So I have the index.html and the script file. Now if we double click on this and open the console again, we can see hello world. What I can also do is, let's say, do some arithmetic. So we can write, oh, I indented this by accident. So we can write console.log, let's say 2 plus 5, and I will expect a 7. So this marks the end of this video. Stay tuned for the next video, and I hope to see you soon.